Hey, hello guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Liakouras and today we're gonna review the Sigma 17 to 50mm a 2.8 aperture lens. Let's have a close look to see how it's outside. Okay guys, as you can see, I'm using my lens with the Nikon D5600. You can find this lens for Canon and Sony as well. This lens is a crop sensor, so it's not for full frame, it's a crop sensor cameras. Okay, so let's check the lens. The lens comes with a nice hoodie here. You can remove it. This is a lens without the hoodie. I'll put back. Many people say it's a bit loose, but it's kind of okay. The nice hoodie. It's useful for today because it's sunny, as you can see. So let's check the lens. Have three main buttons: the lock button, the focus or the focus manual focus button, and the OS optical stabilization button. The first one, locked. It's only locked when it's 17mm. If I unlock it, we can zoom after, and you cannot lock it right now. You have to lock it again at 17mm here. Okay, so this is the first button. Second button is the autofocus and manual focus. This is the focus ring. The manual focus is actually working. I managed to work nice with it, but it's a bit short and a bit too loose, so it's a bit challenging to do it manually. But you have autofocus always, and autofocus works perfectly fine. Now it's on autofocus and I'm focusing. It's focusing very well, but in a dark situation, actually I was using manual focus. So this is the second button, and the third button is the optical stabilization. I have it always on. You can turn it off if you want, but no point to turn it off. I have it always on and it works perfectly fine. So let's start to make some pictures. So what is special about this lens? The very special about this lens is the aperture. The f is 2.8 and it can remain even if you zoom. If I zoom right now, it's staying at 2.8. So what that means for you? It means that the aperture is very open and it allows more light to come in. That means better picture, more light come in, and better picture even at night. And also 2.8 means that you're gonna have extremely blurred backgrounds and amazing portraits. This is why this lens is for. If you want to buy this lens for landscapes, actually you can still keep your kit lens and it make amazing landscapes as well. This lens is good for portraits and with blurry background and a picture that you want to show the depth of field. If you want to buy it for making landscapes, what I see behind me, all of it, we can make it easy with the kit lens actually. So let me show you what I mean. If we make this building behind me, okay, let's try to make it at 2.8. Let's try to make one picture at 2.8 at 17mm. Okay, I try to focus in the middle, so this is the pictures. And as I know, in the edges actually the quality is not so good because at 2.8 you cannot capture the whole picture at perfect quality. So for this picture actually, for that exactly picture, I will choose aperture around 9, and let's make the same picture at 9. Okay, let's compare it actually now. So guys, we have the two pictures at f2.8 and f9. You can see the difference now, but let's jump back to 2.8 and zoom in, and now see at f9. You can see the difference either now, except that it's a bit darker, but if we go to the edge here at f9 and notice the letters, when we jump back to f2.8, now you can see definitely the distortion of the letters. They look a bit blurry, right? Let's go back to f9 and see how better it looks there. And let's go back to f2.8 and see the difference again. It's obvious that at 2.8 the edges is a bit blurry and in a not good quality. And this is what I meant when I told you that even with your kit lens you can achieve great pictures if you shoot landscapes. Because for landscapes you don't use f2.8 but a higher aperture. So let's jump back to our video and see what we can achieve with f2.8 and why it makes it so special. I'm gonna make picture of my camera right now here, so at 2.8, and I will actually zoom. Okay, exactly this. So I can show you now. I'll focus on my phone and you can see how blurry is the background. Okay, so I want to try actually the lens for the video, which is the main reason I bought this lens, okay? So let's try at 17mm to make a nice video. I'm gonna use this one to be stable. I'm gonna be as stable as I can. I'm gonna make a video right now of my phone actually, which is recording. I'm gonna walk a bit to see the stabilization. So you can see the stabilization right now. And now I will zoom and I will focus right now. So you can see how focus works. And I'll focus now outside of the frame to the sea and back to the phone. This is the autofocus. Back to the sea, back to the phone. Okay, so you can see now, even the video, how blurry is the background and how amazing results you can have with this lens. Okay, let's turn here. I'll make a video here of the building behind me. Let's make a video at 17 millimeters. I'm gonna make a round video like that, a movement like that. Let's go. And you can see also the optical stabilization, how it works. Actually, it works pretty good at 17 millimeters. So let's do the same at 50 millimeters. I'm zooming right now. I'm gonna make the same movement, but in the street. You see, I think the optical stabilization works perfectly with this. I mainly use this lens for my videos and I love it. I make many videos. I'm gonna put in the end my videos. I'm gonna put also links with, I've used it for nightlife, I've used it for events, and work perfectly.
One picture.
Sorry?
One picture.
Of you? Yeah, no problem.
We have this side.
This side you want? Because the sun is there, can you stay here?
This side.
Yeah, I like the building.
Okay.
So, very good. So we have example now. I'll make a portrait. Very good, 3, 2, 1. Let me make one more. 3, 2, 1. Okay. You want this side also?
Oh yeah, this side.
Yeah, you want to check it?
I like this side.
You want to check it? Come here.
Yeah, check it.
This is the portrait.
Oh, very good.
Nice, yeah? And this is the full body.
Yeah.
Okay.
It's very good.
This one, yeah, is close. So maybe you can.
This.
Okay. Let me turn this. This where was the camera.
Okay.
Yeah, you can stay there. With the sea gonna be behind you. Again, I'll try a portrait. 3, 2, 1. Okay, very good. I like the portrait mode. Like that.
Yeah.
Again one. At 17 millimeter, we're gonna be full.
See.
Yeah, with the sea like that. Okay, and one like this. Let me do one more, like here, like that. Just let me play a bit with the portrait. Okay, very good this one. Look at this one. I like this one.
Oh yeah.
Very good.
Send me.
Yeah, I can send you. What's your name?
Parmender Pal Singh.
Parmender?
Pal
Pal?
Singh.
Pal Singh?
Yeah.
So actually I was making a video, it's now recording. I was talking about this lens.
Oh, very good.
So you helped me to make some portraits, thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you a lot.
Okay.
Guys, this is the way you find a model when you don't have it. Thanks that guy, his name was Pal. Thank you, Pal, for coming and talking to me and make your pictures. And I can continue my video and show how nice is the lens when you make a portrait. Look how nice the pictures are with a blurry background and how clear and good quality they are. I used 17 millimeters, which was okay. You know, it's very wide, but I use also 50 millimeters and it's making amazing portraits. So thank you, Pal. He was from India, so we're gonna meet him for another interview maybe in the future. Hey, so I came here near the net and I wanna try to make picture the net to make that focused in the beginning and blurry at the end. So let's try one and I'm gonna show you what I mean. Yeah, exactly. The one like that. Yeah, very cool, exactly that. I'm gonna face the sun and see how it performs, if it make any blurs. So this is the lens at 17 millimeters. You can see it. 17 millimeters. I'm gonna zoom in to the net. 17 millimeters still. I'm gonna focus to the building, and I'm gonna put to 50 millimeter. Nice zoom. I'm gonna focus one more time. It's quite nice, right? It's nice, this zoom range. From here you can make a picture, and after you can zoom if something happening far away. It's very nice to have this kind of zoom and still the same quality. By the way, we are in Finikoudes in Larnaca, so I'm gonna make some videos around here. There's one guy swimming actually there. Let's make him a video. I'm zooming at 50 millimeter. A brave guy making his bath. I make some pictures here around. And guys, you know what? Let's check the lens, how it performs for a vlog. Can you use it for a vlog actually? So let me focus, and bam, here we are. Here we are. This lens is so wide that I'm holding it just like 50 centimeters from my hand. You can see it here, and you can see it's pretty nice. You know, I'm in focus. Yeah, I'm in focus. So you actually, if I have the tripod with me or something else, I can use it very nice for a vlog style video, right? It's very close. I can put it, if I use it with a stick, actually I could put it so far away like this, and I can use it for a nice vlog video, guys. Yeah, so let's go back here. And the only thing that with this lens actually is because it's too big, it's a bit heavy. I cannot hold it for a whole day like that. Even if I had a stick, I wouldn't be able to hold it for much. But of course the hand probably get used to it, you become stronger and you can use it. So I'm gonna check the lens with some sport action right now. Hey guys, I hope you enjoy this nice picture and videos we make with the guys who are playing tennis there. Some action pictures, right? So I hope you like it. Press like for that. So guys, I will include for you now some night, night mode when I use it in the night actually in a restaurant and outside here. and I wanted to check how this lens perform at night. So check it out and we talk later.